Hey guys, it's Olivia here, and today me and my sister are gonna do a room tour and of our room, just our room, and not the whole house because there's different people here. And I'm gonna pass you to Scarlet. Here. Okay, let's go on. Let's start with the beds. Okay. So, here are the beds. They are very messy. This is my bed, which I'm getting on right now. It's actually very comfortable. It's not that comfortable. That's why I don't sleep on that one. And then we have my bed, which is not even comfortable. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. Whose bed is comfortabler? Mine or Scarlet's? Mine. Comment down below. I got a cramp. I'm going on my phone. And then we have the computers. That's my computer. So yeah, and it's very messy. Oh. You need to clean your side. And then we have my side. Hers is still messy, you know. She just shoves it behind her computer. No, I don't. You do. I actually don't. And yeah. So yeah. Let's go on to the things that we're going to sell at the car boot. Yes, we are doing car boot, guys. So we're selling all of this. All of that. Alright, this is gonna cost me like I'm gonna get all this money. It's mine. You only get that for like $10, like £10. I've got a Nerf gun. Nobody wants to see that stupid Nerf gun. So it's a grenade launcher. Alright, so that's the end of the video. And we got loads of pencils. I'm wearing Lucas pants. And we got loads of pencils. And here's my box. This is all mine. No, it's not. This is. No, it's not. All of this is mine. No, we're selling it. Yes, it is. No, it's not. This is my box. Yeah, mine. Kate told us to put all our stuff in there. Mine. No, that's not just yours. That's mine as well. Okay, so this is the end of the video. See you next time. We upload every 2 days. Every weekend. So I'll see you then. Bye. We're at our dad's house right now. Yeah. So we'll see you then. Bye bye.